Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program by Amazon that allows individuals and businesses to earn referral fees by advertising Amazon products on their websites, blogs, or social media. Participants can generate unique tracking links for products, and when visitors click through those links and make purchases on Amazon, the associate earns a commission, which varies based on the type of product and the volume of sales. Here are 10 steps to get started making money through the Amazon Associates program. 1. Sign up. Register for the Amazon Associates program through their website. Fill out the required information and agree to the terms and conditions. 2. Select a niche. Choose a specific niche or area of interest to focus your promotions on. This could be anything from tech gadgets to fashion or home improvement. 3. Build a platform. Create a platform to promote products like a blog, website, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Ensure it aligns with your chosen niche. 4. Quality content creation. Develop high-quality, engaging content related to your niche. This could include product reviews, buying guides, tutorials, or comparison articles. 5. Add affiliate links. Once you're an affiliate, generate affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Insert these links strategically within your content. 6. Optimize for conversions. Ensure your content is designed for conversions. Use persuasive language, compelling images, and clear calls to action to encourage visitors to click on your affiliate links. 7. Drive traffic. Implement strategies to drive traffic to your platform. This might involve SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, or paid advertising. 8. Analyze and adapt. Regularly analyze your performance using Amazon's reporting tools and other analytics platforms. Understand what works and what doesn't, then adapt your strategy accordingly. 9. Compliance and guidelines. Adhere to Amazon Associates rules and policies. Ensure your disclosures are clear and follow all guidelines to maintain your affiliate status. 10. Scale and diversify. As you gain traction and start earning, consider scaling your efforts by expanding your content, exploring new products, or diversifying your promotional channels.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.